Hello everybody, this is another quick tutorial on how to use the split screen video template. So this template is made of an introduction, which we just saw here, and it's followed by a slideshow. So as you can see, each icon has its own background here in the slideshow. And finally, let me scroll, we have the end with a logo and title and subtitles. So first, let's jump into the introduction. Here there's a logo which you can edit just by clicking on it. You can change the size. And the logo is followed by a couple of text lines, okay? So here you can see your first punchline and your second punchline. So to edit the punchlines, you just click on the orange rectangle here. So it's going to open the text tab. Here you can edit the text lines. So you can add one by clicking on the Add Text button. You can move them around by clicking on the Move tab right there, or you can delete them using the Delete tab. To edit the punchline, you just click on the corresponding text, and there you can change the text. You can change the text size or the text, or for how many seconds the text is going to be displayed. All text lines have the same font and the same color. So now let's jump into the slideshow. So to open the slideshow, you can click on the left-hand slideshow right there, or you can click on the orange rectangle right there. So it's going to open the slideshow tab. Here it's the same thing as the text lines. You can edit by clicking directly on the icon. You can add an icon, you can move them around or delete them. So to edit an icon, you just click on it. Here you're going to be able to change the icon, you can change the title, the subtitle, and the background image. There's also a line color here around the icon, which you can change with this color picker right there. Okay. The titles and subtitles tab are not to change the text, but to change the title's design. Okay, so all titles are linked together. They all have the same color, the same font, and the same size, which you can change here. Same thing for the subtitles. And finally, at the bottom, you're going to find a couple of premium features. For example, there's the line color, which is the middle line right there. Let me put it something like this so you can see it. And you can change the icons color or the glow around the icons right there. Okay. And now finally, let's jump at the end. Here you're going to find there's a logo. You can edit it by clicking on the logo. You can also edit the background image by clicking on it. Now this background image has an overlay which you can use to completely hide the background image if you want, just by dragging the opacity slider like that, or you can change the overlay color just like this. You can also edit the title by clicking on it. You can edit the subtitle, and like in all generators, you can change the watermark by clicking on it. Okay. And finally, there's a gray background. If you click on it, you're going to be able to change its color. Let me put you at the start so we can see it better. You can change the color just like that. You can play around also with the texture or the texture opacity. Okay. So that's it. That was a quick tutorial for a split screen video template. Have a great day. Bye-bye.